Okay, so hi dear all, this is okay. Hi dear Aries, this is you versus them current energy check-in for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the next 72 hours, max to max. This is just an current energy check-in. There's no timeline as such for this. Okay, for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot card reading course or self-love course or Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's see you versus them and where this connection is heading right now at this present moment. There's no timeline as such to this situation, to this card reading. Oh my god. Let's see on your side what we have, Aries. We have the Emperor, your card only, and the Ten of Cups and the Ten of Swords. You're sitting in your power where you are kind of not being very hopeful and positive about the future direction of a particular situation. It's like something is done, something is gone out of your life, out of your system, and you're trying to see light at the end of the tunnel instead of trying to fix something or trying to live in any kind of illusions or delusions. You are accepting the situation for what it is, and you are accepting this ending, taking your power back from a particular situation, and you're kind of telling me that you're done and you're moving on towards the next chapter, still holding on to this hope that everything happened for a reason, and you're definitely going to find your reason very very soon. This is what your current energies are telling me, that the more you like the more you were attached to somebody, the more you're detached now. The way you were attached to somebody, you're not that much attached to that person or that situation anymore, and it's kind of a done deal from your side. You're heading towards, either you already did that separation portion, and or you are in this energy of having it in the coming future. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to right now. We have the Magician, the Four of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. This is somebody who is going through a period of manifestation, but they're not able to understand what they should exactly manifest. It's like they are very dissatisfied the way their love life is going, feeling left out in the cold, and they're trying to manifest happiness. They're trying to manifest clarity and a relationship that is going to last, that is going to make them happy. What they are not able to understand here is that they have to create their own happiness in order to attract that kind of happiness that they want in their life. But they're failing to understand that. They're continuously blaming the whole universe, the whole situation, feeling left out in the cold. They're very focused on what went wrong instead of focusing on what lesson they learned from the situation. They're going through a period of miserable energies and feeling left out in the cold kind of energies. The roles can be reversed also, please keep that in mind. It could be like you going through these energies and them going through that energies. Okay, because it's a mutual energy, the roles can be reversed also. Let's see for the connection where it is heading right now, where it is going right now. We have the Ace of Cups, the Five of Wands, the Moon card. See, there's still love behind the closed doors. Okay, there's still love in the connection, actually, from both the sides. But more than love, it is chaos, conflict, and lot of drama. And this situation is going through a period of confusion, a lot of secretive energies, no proper clarity or understanding of where this should go and what you guys should do in this situation or what you guys should not do. At least one of you is in a super chaotic energy, and everything is like doomed right now. Nothing is crystal clear, nothing is working out, nothing is making the situation go in a positive way. These are just current energies. I'm not saying the outcome or anything. I'm just saying where this connection is going right now with the current energies that you guys are having regarding this situation from both the sides. So this situation right now is currently in a lot of confusion, lot of stressful energies, lot of chaos and conflict, and behind the scenes there's love from both the sides actually, even if you guys cover it very well. For you, the guidance here is the Chariot. You should definitely choose a path and walk on that path, and be very very honest and loyal with yourself. Whatever that path is, maybe working it out with this person, no matter how many obstacles or challenges you are going to face, then like give your best. If you are choosing to walk away completely and never look back, then stick to that decision of yours. Do not change your decisions every now and then blame yourself for the people around you or universe or something like that. Blame game is not recommended here. Taking the charge of the situation and sticking to the plan is recommended. Whatever plan, whatever energy you want to go ahead with. Hmm? So these are current energies. This is where the situation is going right now. I'm fumbling a lot these days. I am going through a period of, zoning out. So please bear with me. You guys know it, right? So I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.